Once upon a time in a small village, there were two best friends named Mia and Leo. They loved exploring the nearby forest, which was said to be enchanted with magical creatures and hidden secrets. One sunny afternoon, Mia and Leo decided to go on an adventure deeper into the forest than they had ever gone before. As they walked, they heard the sound of giggling and saw a trail of sparkling dust. Curious, they followed the trail and soon found themselves in a beautiful glade filled with colorful flowers and twinkling lights. In the middle of the glade was a tiny fairy named Lily, who was flitting about and spreading magic.
Look, Leo. It's a fairy.
Hello, Mia and Leo. Welcome to the Enchanted Forest. I'm Lily, the guardian of this magical place.
Wow, Lily. Can you show us some magic?
Of course. But first, I need your help. There is a mischievous gnome named Grumble who has hidden all the magical crystals that keep the forest enchanted. Will you help me find them?
Mia and Leo eagerly agreed, and Lily gave them a map that showed where the crystals were hidden. The three friends set off on their quest, following the map and looking for clues. Their first stop was a sparkling stream where they found a crystal hidden under a rock. Next, they ventured to a giant mushroom patch where another crystal was tucked inside a mushroom cap. Finally, they climbed a tall tree to retrieve the last crystal from a bird's nest. With all three crystals in hand, they returned to the glade and placed them in a circle. Lily waved her wand, and the crystals began to glow, restoring the enchantment to the forest.
Thank you, Mia and Leo. You have saved the Enchanted Forest. As a reward, I will grant each of you one wish.
I wish for everyone in our village to have happiness and good health.
And I wish for more adventures like this with my best friend, Mia. Lily granted their wishes, and the glade sparkled even brighter. Mia and Leo returned to the village, their hearts full of joy and their minds buzzing with the magic they had witnessed. From that day on, Mia and Leo continued to explore the forest, always ready for new adventures and magical discoveries, knowing that the Enchanted Forest would forever be a place of wonder and friendship.